Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just gonna be a random get ready with me to go to my living room since we're all on quarantine here. So this is just gonna be a fun little relaxed makeup video, nothing serious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment and hit the notification bell. And also don't forget to follow all of my social media that I always have linked down below. Other than that, let's just get started. I'm gonna start by prepping my eye with some eyeshadow base. So I'm just gonna take my P. Louise and I'm gonna blend this out all over my lid. I'm just gonna go for like a fun blue mermaidy look today, and we're gonna see how that turns out. I'm literally just gonna be winging this. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe M433 brush and I'm just gonna buff that into my crease. Next, I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush, and this is a MAC 224 brush. I'm just gonna run that along the edges, and this has no product on it, you guys. I'm gonna diffuse these edges from the blue shade that we just put down, and this is gonna help to soften the edges and make it really nice and diffused. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the shade Starry Eyed from the ColourPop Blue Moon palette, and I'm gonna take that on a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just gonna keep that very low and tight just to add some more depth of blues. So you guys will see right here. Okay, perfect. So I'm not gonna add any more colors at this point because I want to keep it very neon and bright. So next, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and apply some fun glitter, and these are some blue chunky glitters. I'm just gonna take that with some glitter glue and tap it all over the lid. Okay guys, so the last step that we're gonna do is highlight the brow bone. So I'm gonna go back to the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm just gonna dip into Momentum and add that to my brow bone. So now I'm just gonna go off camera and add some eyeliner and some extra lashes. And I'm also gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back to move on to the face. Hey guys, so I am back with some lashes on, and these are the V Luxe Real Mink lashes by I Envy. This is in the style Cashmere Rose. These are basically 25 mm long mink lashes, like the ones you see on Instagram. And so yeah, this is what they look like really up close. Let me know what you guys think, because this is definitely not every day for me, but I just wanted to try something different. All right, so we have our lashes on. I finished some eyeshadow on the bottom. Now we're ready to move on to the face. So to prime, I'm firstly gonna use the e.l.f. Dew Primer. And I'm gonna apply it the same way I did in the Alyssa Ashley video because I loved how my makeup turned out. And then I'm gonna also use the Benefit Professional just to fill in the pores first. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these two to prime. Now that we're all primed, I'm just gonna go ahead and spot conceal. As you guys can see, I have some quarantine acne from eating all of those hot Cheetos in my pantry. Been breaking out so bad ever since we've been on quarantine. And I'm just gonna blend that out with the M173 brush by Morphe. It's the same one I used to pack on my eyeshadow primer. And the concealer that I just used was the Juvia's Place in the shade, the number 16. Next, I'm gonna conceal some dark circles, and I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Peach Corrector. I'm gonna focus this right underneath the eye where I tend to have some dark circles right here. Even though most of the eyeshadow is covering it, I still want to do it anyways. I'm gonna go in with the GRWM concealer in the shade Ginger because it's a little darker. I did lay out by the pool the other day, so I got a little more tan, so I'm gonna need definitely a darker corrector. It's looking a little light. Next, I'm going to be going in with foundation, and I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath foundation, and this is in the shade Medium 18, which is my tan shade right now. And to apply that, since this is pretty like sheer medium coverage, I'm going to apply that with a brush so I can get more payoff out of the foundation. You guys, my skin is just looking so flawless. I love my foundation routine. But anyways, we're gonna move on. So I'm gonna be using cream contour with the L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer I just dropped. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use Fenty. So I went ahead and set my whole face with powder, and I baked under the eye, and the powder I used is the Sasha loose powder in the shade Buttercup Light. Woo! So far we are looking ready for the living room. So now that we wiped away the bake, I just want to highlight under the eyes to brighten them a little bit more. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 222. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Kylie bronzer in Almond, and then for blush, I'm going to be taking the Kylie blush in the shade Baddie on the Block for the cheeks, just because I feel like these colors with the eyes work really well together. So now I am all bronzed and blushed up. We got some color in our face. So finally it's time to set the face. That rhyme. So I'm gonna be using the Youth to the People face spray to set my makeup and, you know, rehydrate from all these powders. And then we're gonna move on to highlight and then the lips, and then we are done. I went ahead and just put on a coral lip. I know it's not lip gloss, okay? This time I tried to be a little different and go for something like matte. This is like a satiny color, but if you're curious, I use the e.l.f. orange cream color corrector for what's on my lips right now. So that's the lipstick. For highlight, I'm gonna keep it neutral, and I'm gonna use the Ofra highlighter in Glow Goals. So this is the final look. It's a very bold, colorful quarantine makeup tutorial. I like how it came out. Personally, I don't walk out the house like this that often, but I would definitely do this for like carnival or a mermaid look in Halloween. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating this random look with you guys, this freestyle look. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell before you exit out of this video. And also, you guys, all of my social media will be linked down below in the description box as always. And Yeah, you guys stay safe, stay home, and wash your hands. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing that, but we got to keep saying it so that we keep it in our mind. Wash your hands, and stay home if you can. Thank you for supporting me, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.